In this video, I am going to show you how to make Windows 11 bootable and bypass TPM, secure boot and online Microsoft account with Rufus 4.5. First step, go to the browser, in search, type Windows 11 ISO file download. Hit enter. You will find in search result Microsoft official link download Windows 11. Click on this link. Scroll down. Download Windows 11 disk image ISO for x64 devices. Click on the drop down menu here and select Windows 11 multi-edition ISO for x64 devices. Then click on confirm. Here, select your product language. Click on the drop down menu here. You can choose any language. I'm choosing English United States. Then click on confirm. Now click on 64-bit download and the download is started. Second step, go to a new tab. You need to download Rufus 4.5. In search type Rufus 4.5 download. Hit enter. Scroll down. Here you will find Rufus 4.5 download for 32-bit, 64-bit. Click on this link. Scroll down. Under Rufus 4.5 download for 32-bit, 64-bit, click on download for 64-bit button and download is started. Rufus download finished. Click on open in folder. Right click on Rufus 4.5.exe and click on run as administrator. Close File Explorer. Minimize browser. Now connect your USB drive and you have to make sure your USB drive is minimum 8 GB. An USB device is automatically connected. On boot selection, select disk or ISO images. Click on select button. Select your Windows 11 ISO which you have downloaded. Then click on OK. Windows 11 ISO is selected. Image option. Standard Windows installation is selected and keep it. Partition scheme. If you select partition scheme MBR, you have to select target system BIOS. If your firmware is UEFI, you have to select GPT partition scheme and the target system will be UEFI. This is the volume level. Volume name, you can change the volume level from here and file system. NTFS is selected by default and the cluster size 4096 bytes default. I am keeping this default. Then click on start. Here you will find the customization options. First option, remove requirement for 4 GB plus RAM, secure boot and TPM 2.0. Select this option. Then select remove requirement for an online Microsoft account. Then select create a local account with username. My name is automatically added here. You can add your name here. Then select disable data collection. Skip privacy questions. And then select disable BitLocker automatic drive encryption. Select all these options. Then click on OK. The warning all data on the device will be destroyed. To continue with this operation, click on OK. Important, this device contains multiple partitions. Click on OK again. And Rufus is creating the bootable USB drive. You have to wait a little bit. And USB bootable is successfully created. Click on close. And I'm going to verify. Open File Explorer. And this is the USB bootable. Click on this device. Now you are ready to install Windows 11 to any unsupported computer without TPM, secure boot and Microsoft online account requirement. That's it.